ሃይ ጋይስ እንዴት ናችሁ? ሰላም ናችሁ? የፈርኒቸር ሶርስ የሚል ካምፓኒ ነው። ጃክሰንቪል ውስጥ ይገኛሉ። ኦርላንዶ፣ ዲያቶና ቢች፣ ጃክሰንቪል ብቻ 3 ቦታ አላቸው። ሳውሳይድ ብሉቫርድ፣ ብላንዲንግ እና አትላንቲክ ብሉቫርድ። ይኸውላችሁ ካምፓኒ ይህን ይመስላል። ምርጥ መጠቃሚ ያላቸው ስታፍ ባያርጉ ኤዋቸው ቼክ አድርጓቸው። በጣም አሪፍ አሪፍ ጠንካራ እቃዎች ኳሊቲውን የጠበቀ ካላቸው 30% ሴል ላይ ናቸው። በዛ ላይ እንግዲህ የመሰለ እቃ ከነሱ ላይ መግዛት ትችላላችሁ። በጣም አሪፍ ዲል ነው ያላቸው። ሶፋ ስትገዙ ምንጣፉን ነፃ ነው የሚሰጧችሁ። ከእንደገና ደግሞ ሌላ እቃ ደግሞ ጨማምራችሁ የምትገዙ ከሆነና እስከ 5000 ስፔንድ ካደረጋችሁ ነፃ ምንጣፍና 52 ኢንች ቲቪ ነፃ ይሰጧችኋል። ቼክ አድርጓቸው። አሪፍ አሪፍ ነገር አላቸው። በዛ ላይ ደግሞ ይለያሉ ማለት ይቻላል። 30% ኦፍ አላቸው። አዲስ ቤት ለምትገዙ ወይም አዲስ ቤት ለምትከራዩ ሪኮመንድ ነው የማደርገው። ኳሊቲውን የጠበቀ እቃ ስላላቸው ማለት ነው። ፕሊዝ ተባባይ አድርጉ። I'm trying to show you in Jacksonville they have like the company name is Furniture Resource. They have 3 places for Southside Boulevard, Blanding Boulevard, and Atlantic Boulevard, and they have like Orlando, and Daytona Beach, and more places too. They have like interest-free option too. You guys can purchase any furniture right there. They have like good deal. The quality is the best. They have the bottom light. They have Bluetooth. They have phone charger. You can charge your phone. You can connect it for like your phone to YouTube. They have a speaker. The speaker is right there too. So if you want to listen some music or whatever you want, you can connect for your phone with your TV. All kind of stuff they have right there. If you want to relax, you can push right here. They have a lot of option, phone charger, and if you push it back, look how they left. Just relaxing. Stop by for them. They have 30% off. If you buy any furniture, they have rank free. That is good deal. 30% off for sofa plus rank free. If you spend more than 5,000, they give it to you for 52-inch TV free too. So check out for them. I say Furniture Resource. They have Facebook right here. You have contact number right here. They have location right here. If you want, I leave the link for you guys. Thank you for watching. Share, subscribe. Bye bye guys. Thank you.